All right, let's get this party started. It doesn't look like much now, but this is going to be cool, man. It's going to be my BART, my badass rock truck. The chassis, it's just a bare bones chassis at the moment. I'm going to get some links on it today. That's my plan. And then hopefully the shocks and the axles, and then go from there. I need to get everything kind of put together so I can see what size drive shafts I need. That's my first thing is links, axles, shocks. We'll get the transmission in here, and then we can see what size drive shafts I need and go from there. Good job. Let's do it. I've got to file these openings on the bottom here for the links to fit in a little bit tight. It's fitting there now. Oh yeah, that's better. And then, oh yeah, that's better. Cool. There we go. I wanted to check these axles and make sure they have grease in them. And let's see. Got the screws out. Take the cover off. Oh yeah. Yep, looks good. Lots of grease. Good. That's the way they come when you buy them new. It's nice to see it's got grease in there already. That's cool. Well, good deal. Alright, so here we go. Here's the rear lower links are in, so that's cool. Very nice, looking good. Got the lower rear links are in. And now let's do the upper links and the shocks. All right, just about got the upper links in the rear all the way on. And we are looking good. How cool. There you go. Very nice. There's that and that. And there we go. Cool. That's the rear links in the rear. In the back of the truck there. Cool. Upper and lower links. Cool. And the rear axle. Very nice. Let's get the shocks on next. Good deal. All right. There we go. Nice and tight. And there we have it. Got the rear shocks on. Got the shocks on in the rear. And man, I just love the way that looks. Wow. Ooh, that feels good. Oh, wow. Love the way that feels too, man. Check that out. So there we go. Got the rear links on, the rear shocks, axle. And man, I think that's looking good. Wow, check that out. How cool is that? Very nice. Very cool, man. Oh my gosh, that feels great too. Oh man, I love it. Very cool. There we go. All right, so now I'm working on the front links and axle and shocks. But first, let's make sure we get the servo mount on the axle. It comes separate. It doesn't come attached. So let's make sure we get that mounted on here. Let's see if these screws will work. If not, we'll have to use some longer ones. Okay, so the screws that I took out of here aren't going to work. So let's see if they gave us some longer ones to use. If not, we'll have to see if we can get some longer ones. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so it looks like this is where I'm going to be taking a break. I got to find some longer screws to mount the servo mount on top of the front axle. The screws that come in the axle when you remove them to mount the servo mount are not long enough. So I got to find some longer screws. So that's what I'll do. And yeah, this is where I'll be taking a break. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.